Good evening, students. Hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our online session of Standard 2 subject GK, means General Knowledge. So, in the last session, you all have watched the video of the chapter 5 in GK, Let's Grow Together. So, based on that, today we'll do some activities. That is Quiz R. Let's begin the activities. Here is given the first activity, that is, see the example and replace the highlighted letter S as per instructions. Here is given one example. The word bless. Write DR. So we have to replace DR in the place of letters BL. So we'll get a new word, that is dress. Okay. So let's start here. The first example is given in the word class. CLASS. In the word class, we have to replace GR in place of letters CL. So we'll get a new word, that is a grass. GRASS, grass. We'll move to the next one. In the word stool, STOOL. In the word stool, we have to replace the letter P in place of the letters ST. So we'll get a new word, that is a pool. POOL, pool. First one is a stool. We replace P in place of the letters ST. So we'll got the new word, that is pool. So we'll move to the next one. In the word doctor. In the word doctor, we have to replace letter A in place of letters DO. If we'll remove in the doctor the letters DO, in that place if we will add a letter A. So we'll get a new word, that is actor. ACTOR. So we remove letters DO. In place of DO, we add letter A. So we got a new word, that is actor. We'll move to the next one. In the word cloth, CLOT, cloth. So we have to replace P in place of CL. So we'll get a new word, that one is plot. Pot. If we'll remove CL in the word cloth, then in place of CL, if we will write P, if we will add the letter P, we'll get a new word, that is pot. We'll move to the next one. So in the word store, STORE, store. So in the word store, if we'll replace M in place of ST. If we will remove letters ST in the word store, then we will add M in place of ST. We'll get a new word, that is move. So when we added the new letters in place of the given words, so we'll got a new words. The first one is class, grass, stool, pool, doctor, actor, cloth, pot, store, move. Yes? So we'll move to the next one. Here is given the next activity. See the example and fill in the blank space. So here is one given example. See, a cap is to dash, and in the bracket they have given the two options, head and hand. So which is a correct one from this option? A cap is to head, where you are wearing a cap on the head. A cap is to head. So next one here it is given, a tomato is to dash, and options are given, fruit or vegetable. The students guess tomato is what? It's a fruit or vegetable? It's a vegetable. The next one, a burrow is to dash. A burrow is to dash, and there is given the options mouse and rabbit. So which one is the correct answer? Rabbit. Yes. So rabbit's shelter is burrow. Yes or no? A burrow is to rabbit. Next one. The sky is to dash. Birds are fish. They are given the both options birds and fish. So which one is the correct option here? It's birds. The birds are flying in the sky. So the sky is to birds. Next one. A boy is to dash. Sister or girl? Definitely it's a girl. A boy is to girl. The next one. A ship is to sea. Or C dash. They are given the both options C and C. When we speak, when we will read the words, it sounds same, but both the words have different meanings. See, C and C. C is a water and one C is a C. S double E is to look with our eyes. So a ship is to dash. So which C will come? S-E-A-C. Very good. A ship is to sea. Once again, we will read the sentences. A tomato is to vegetable. A burrow is to rabbit. A sky is to birds. A boy is to girl. A ship is to sea. So hope you all of you understood this activity. Let's move to the another one. So we'll move to the next activity. Here is given the activity, fill in the blanks with collection names. Collection means group. Group names, collection names. Here is given one example, a group of players. So what we call them? Collection names, a group of players, and the options are given team and beam. So the right option is team. So we'll call a group of players, we call team. It's a collection name. So let's start. The first one, a group of stairs, dash, and the options are given flight and sight. So here the correct option is flight. We'll call group of stairs, it's a flight. The collection name is a group of stairs is flight. The next one, many bananas dash. The options are given crunch or bunch. So what we will see, the bananas are, many bananas means it's a bunch of bananas. Collection means bunch. Many bananas, the collection name is bunch. We'll move to the next one. A group of soldiers dash. And the options are given army, enemy. So which one is the collection name of this group of soldiers? The correct option is army. Next one, a group of cattle dash, and the options are given herd or cur. So what is the Write collection name of this group of cattle. It's herd. H-E-R-D, herd. The last one, many keys dash. The options are given crunch or bunch. So what are the collection name of many keys? It's a right option is bunch. A group of stairs, flight. Many bananas, bunch. A group of soldiers, army. A group of cattle, herd. Many keys, bunch. Hope you all of you understood this activity very well. So thank you. Be safe. Stay home. Bye.